In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Brave browser. One of the great things about Brave is the ability to personalize both its appearance and layout to better match your preferences. Whether you prefer a clean and minimal design, a colorful background, or quick access to specific browser tools, Brave offers several customization options that can help create a more enjoyable browsing experience. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the settings you can use to make the browser feel more personal and comfortable to use. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Once you're on the new tab page, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find a gear-shaped settings icon. Click on this icon to access the customization panel for the new tab page. Inside this panel, locate the option labeled Show Background Images and turn it on. Enabling this setting unlocks several visual customization choices that allow you to change the appearance of your new tab page. After activating it, you'll see different categories become available, including Brave backgrounds, solid colors, gradients, and the option to upload an image directly from your device. Browse through the available selections and choose the background style that best suits your taste. As soon as you make a selection, the appearance of your new tab page will update, giving your browser a fresh and personalized look. Next, move to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings area, where you can customize additional visual and interface-related options. Once the settings page opens, look at the navigation menu on the left side and click Appearance. This section focuses on how the browser interface looks and behaves. Within the appearance settings, locate the Theme option and select it. Here, you can choose the overall visual style of the browser. Whether you prefer a light appearance, a dark interface, or another available theme, this setting allows you to change the browser's color scheme to match your preferences. If you'd like even more control over the interface, select Customize Your Toolbar, which can be found within the Appearance section. This feature allows you to decide which buttons and controls appear on the browser toolbar. In the customization panel, you can enable or disable various interface elements such as the Home button, bookmark controls, split view options, sidebar access, and other navigation tools. Adjust these settings according to your workflow and personal preferences to create a cleaner and more efficient browsing environment. With these options, Brave gives you the flexibility to personalize both its appearance and functionality, helping you create a setup that feels uniquely your own. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.